In a world stripped of civilization's comforts, how will mankind survive? Imagine a desolate landscape where the constructs of yesteryears no longer hold sway. The gravity of such a scenario is undeniable. The need for solutions, urgent. The answer may lie in one of humanity's most basic skills, shelter building. When stripped of all else, survival boils down to three basic needs: water, food, and shelter. The hierarchy of survival underscores the critical role of shelter. It shields us from harsh weather, conceals us from lurking dangers, and grounds us for further survival pursuits. In the bleak landscape of a post-apocalyptic world, mastering the art of shelter building is of paramount importance. So how does one build a shelter with nothing but the debris of a fallen world? Well, that's where the art of improvisation comes in. The first step is site selection. Look for a location that's elevated and away from water bodies to avoid flooding. The site should also be near resources like firewood and water. Next comes design planning. Your shelter needs to be just big enough for you to lie down comfortably. This helps conserve heat and materials. Now for materials collection. Debris, earth, trees, anything can be used. Fallen branches, for instance, make a good frame, while debris and earth provide excellent insulation. Finally, the construction phase. Build your shelter with the back to the wind. Insulate the floor to protect from the cold ground. Camouflage the shelter with local vegetation for protection against potential threats. With these techniques at your disposal, survival in a post-apocalyptic world is not just possible, it's probable. Survival in a post-apocalyptic world hinges on our ability to adapt and overcome. In this endeavor, understanding the hierarchy of survival needs and mastering shelter-building techniques is vital. We've delved into the essentials, the priority of needs, and the improvised shelter construction methods. From choosing the right location, gathering materials, to the actual assembly, each step is pivotal in ensuring your survival. Remember, survival isn't about strength or speed, it's about adaptability and resilience. With the right knowledge, even the ruins of the world can become a fortress.